Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to edit a PDF using Google Docs, completely free and simple. Simply go to the Google Drive. As you can see, I have already signed in. Now to edit your PDF in Google Docs, simply upload PDF to Google Drive. As you can see, I want to edit this PDF. Now simply drag the PDF and upload it to your drive. As you can see, I have upload this, as you can see here. Now to edit this PDF, simply click on here. Now simply click on here and you will see the option at the top, open with Google Docs. Simply click here. After opening with Google Docs, now you can start editing here. As you can see, you can write your name and change your document where you find the mistake. To save it again, simply go to the file and download it to the PDF again. And that's how you edit PDFs in Google Docs. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and comment what you want next, and I'll see you in the next one.